Do you experience adrenal fatigue? When your adrenal glands struggle to perform their usual tasks, it can result in various issues, including hormonal imbalances. These glands produce over 50 hormones, and any imbalance can become very much more pronounced when they are fatigued. The hormonal circuit of the body links the adrenal glands to the ovaries and the thyroid glands. As the adrenal gland decline in health, so does the health of the ovaries. Estrogen and progesterone are like two dancers on the stage, and when one falters, the whole performance suffers. When your adrenal glands are unhealthy, estrogen becomes dominant in your system for several reasons. Progesterone can drop faster than estrogen as women age. Overexposure to xenoestrogen is increasing. During stress, progesterone can get consumed and is a precursor to many adrenal hormones. If you are thinking of boosting your progesterone level, always choose natural progesterone cream over synthetic variants such as progestin, which is a prescription medication. Why? Because they have very different opposing characteristics. The former supports your health, while the latter could bring a range of unwanted effects like liver issues, mood swings, increased cancer risk. Pea Balance Cream by Dr. Lam is like adding a turbocharger to the car's engine. It is bioidentical. It means it is chemically identical to what our body produces, ensuring perfect compatibility. Its metered pump delivers a precise dosage, and it has an advanced transdermal delivery system for better absorption. Beyond this hormonal regulating feature, it is also all natural, non-greasy, and fragrance-free. Both men and women can benefit from its use, although the dosage used are different. So how do you ensure getting all the benefits of the natural progesterone cream? Well, look for USP progesterone on the label. Opt for a delivery system that can deliver around 20 milligrams of progesterone per pump. Apply to areas with good circulation like upper arm, inner thighs, wrist, or neck. Always start under medical supervision to avoid any potential complications. Thank you for tuning in. If you find this information helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and share this video. Remember, we are always here to empower you to take control of your health.